that little bit too windy for the app. Maybe because it's Friday the 13th. Sorry, I'm still half asleep. Oh, as you can see, I just woke up. Got my Space Invader PJs on. See, Space Invaders. I think there's things that define if you're old or not. And if you can remember the Space Invaders when it came out as a coin op, I think that's the definition of old right now. Anyway, the grass is looking good. So I won't be doing an app today. But I'm going to open up one of these bad boys. And open up this one, I reckon, because this is the one that I bought. I bought this after seeing Matt Rykes' video. Really looking forward to using that. This, I'm not going to water. Doesn't need a water. I did a water on Wednesday. I know it's starting to get hot, but I reckon this will be able to hang out till Sunday. Standing on it, it feels quite wet. Sometimes you just stand out here and figure out what you're going to do next with your lawn. I do that a lot. I've got to finish off this paving. Considering the heat's coming, I might get stuck into that today. But I'm not really looking forward to today. I've got to go to the dentist, and yeah, I'm not looking forward to that at all. So yeah, I'll quickly unbox that ego and check it out. So I did unpack this last night to get the battery out. So we get some instructions, some tools, a bit of cord. That's what the battery came in, but I took the battery out. This here's the charger. I guess you're asking, how did he charge the battery? I have another charger. And this is the skin, the unit. Parts. Windy as all hell here. That's why I'm not doing a charger app today. That's the cover. That's the handle. Carbon fibre shaft. Nice and light. Look at that puppy. Look at that puppy. Comes preloaded, which is nice. And that's the cord that goes from where the battery would be. The motor is actually here in the unit. So we're going to do a bit of assembly. So pull that apart. Okay, that's done. Oh yeah, wind. About there feels right. Alright, so now a little cover. It's got the screws already in there. So that must go into the back of something here, I would imagine. Probably those two holes there. Alright, so that's it. The head there. Cover. That was just 2 screws. 4 screws for that. That's where the battery goes. Oh, I'm excited. It's alright. That's cool. So how you operate it, it's like trigger here, and then you pull that, because if you try and pull that, so you need to do that and that. Alright, let's put a battery in it and see how it goes. So this is the battery. Only took about half an hour. Just pull it out like so. There you go, very nice. This is the 2.5 amp, it's quite light. We'll now put that on the mower. That's the quick charger. Okay. Alright, so you'll notice that there's some rails where the green part is there. And that just slides like here, so you can't get it the wrong way or anything like that. This is the first time for me. Clicks in. It's in. Let's try it out. Wow, that's quiet. Flip a cable. So one little last check before going to the dentist, and yeah, it's just totally blowing out here, you can see that. So I haven't got time to muck around with the power load feature of the trimmer, but if you want to see that, go to 55 seconds in this video. You'll see the little card at the top, click that and you'll see Matt Rykes' review. It's a fantastic product, but yeah, I'm just looking forward to no wind, getting the app done, and really watching this thing just grow in nicely and get really nice and thick. Yeah, so a little bit disappointing that I couldn't get my app down today because of the weather. There's nothing I can do about it. I just got to get on with the day. Dentist, and after the dentist today, I'll finish off the program and get that uploaded for you guys. So should be good. You don't need to see me. You don't need a video seeing me doing that. So I'll leave it here. Get your lawn on. 11 days to Christmas, and yeah, this is coming along quite nicely. We'll just cross our fingers that the wind disappears tomorrow, because yeah, it's been a ridiculous month. Almost every day, just the wind has been ridiculously high. So yeah, all right, cool. Merry Christmas.